These are the Beats Studio Pro. Very nice packaging like always from Beats. On the outside, you have a list of some of the features like noise canceling, support for spatial audio, Apple and Android compatibility, and USB-C audio. In the box, you have a carrying case for the headphones, along with a couple accessories, and a little book with a QR code that links you to the complete product guide online. The case itself is well made and has a handle for portability. The pouch also includes a USB-C cable that supports lossless audio, and a 3.5mm headphone cable that allows you to connect to any other analog device. You also charge the headphones through USB-C. To pair your headphones, you just hold down the power button near the Apple or Android device. After paired, you'll be able to take advantage of features such as Hey Siri, audio switching on Android devices, one-touch pairing, and Find My. The headphones have an advertised 40 hours of listening time. With the left ear cup, give it one tap to play or pause your music or answer a call, up and down to control the volume, 2 taps for the next track, 3 taps for the previous track, press and hold to activate your voice assistant. My favorite feature with these is I could use them on my Apple TV automatically once they're paired to any Apple device. These have definitely been a good buy for me.